Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Colorado front bumper. First, let's get ready. You will need a few key tools, including a T15 Torx bit, 7mm and 10mm sockets, a ratchet, and a 6-inch extension. Make sure you have a clear and safe area to work in, and consider if you need to lift the truck or turn the wheels for better access. Also, have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to protect your bumper once it's off. Next, we'll focus on the grille and fender liners. Begin by removing the 6 T15 Torx screws located across the top of the grille. Once those are out, gently pull the grille forward and disconnect the turn signal harnesses before setting the grille aside. Then, move to the fender liners. You'll find about 6 T15 screws and one 7mm bolt on each side that need to be removed to free up the liner. Now let's tackle the main bumper fasteners. With the fender liner pulled back, you can access 3 7mm bolts tucked away under each headlight assembly. These can be a bit tricky to reach, so a small ratchet is helpful. Next, look for 2 10mm bolts in the center of the lower grille. An extension will be useful here. Don't forget to disconnect the fog light electrical harnesses by pressing the red tab and pulling them free. Finally, it's time for the bumper's full separation. There are 2 main 15mm bolts on each side, located underneath the truck, that connect the bumper to the frame rails. Once these are removed, carefully and gently pry the bumper away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any remaining clips to avoid breaking them. Having a second person to help support the bumper during this last step can make the process much easier and safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.